Cache Giraffe battery usage depends on how often you use the app, what activities you complete, and how your phone manages background processes. If you notice your battery dropping faster while using Cache Giraffe, the problem is usually related to app activity, screen time, background usage, or device settings. The first thing to check is your phone's battery usage report. This shows which apps are using the most power and whether Cache Giraffe is responsible for the drain. On Android, open Settings, go to Battery, and check battery usage by app. On iPhone, open Settings, select Battery, and review the activity list to see Cache Giraffe's power usage. If Cache Giraffe appears high on the list, check how you are using the app. Keeping the screen active for long periods, running reward activities, or frequently opening the app can increase battery consumption. You can reduce battery use by closing Cache Giraffe when you are finished using it. Leaving unnecessary apps open in the background can also increase overall battery usage. Another step is checking your phone permissions. Open your device settings and review whether Cache Giraffe has access that it does not need. Adjusting unnecessary permissions can help reduce background activity. Keeping the app updated can also help because newer versions may include performance improvements and bug fixes. If your battery drain started after installing Cache Giraffe, or after an update, restart your phone and check battery usage again after normal use. This helps identify whether the issue is temporary or connected to the app. You should also check your phone's storage and operating system updates. Low storage or outdated software can affect how apps perform. If Cache Giraffe continues using unusual battery power, contact support with your device model, operating system version, app version, and details about when the battery drain started. The quickest checks are reviewing battery usage, closing the app when finished, updating Cache Giraffe, and adjusting device settings. Battery drain is not always caused by one app. Your screen brightness, mobile data, background apps, and overall phone usage can also affect battery life. Check your battery report first because it shows exactly where the power is being used. If this guide helped you troubleshoot Cache Giraffe battery drain, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.